Greeting everyone. So to bulk delete or hide comments, head over to zaptroll.com and click on the Connect Instagram button. Sign up using your Google account, and you'll be redirected to the Zaptroll dashboard. From there, click on Connect Social Media Account, and then choose Connect Instagram Business Account. You'll be redirected to Facebook, accept the terms and permissions, and select the Facebook page linked to your Instagram account. Once your Instagram is connected, click on View Posts and choose the post where you want to hide comments in bulk. Zaptroll's powerful AI will scan the comments and detect the harmful ones for you. Click on Identify Bad Comments. You can also manually flag any comment by clicking Mark as Flagged, then simply hit Select All and click on Hide Comments. That's it, all flags. Comments will be hidden from your post with a single click. If you found this helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tools